Never have to seal your granite ever again. Granite Shield restores old granite to look better than it ever did and permanently seals granite, making it smoother, shinier, and maintenance-free. Call 877-477-3254 to schedule your appointment.
Hi, I'm Craig with Granite Shield. 10 years ago, we came out to this house and met Teresa, and we sealed her granite and her travertine. Teresa, would you like to tell us how this has held up for you over 10 years?
Awesome. I don't even have a water spot on my granite, even by the sink. It's wonderful. Haven't had a problem, zero, nothing. The floor, I've had them come back out to do because we had a burglary. Floor was ruined by some scratches, and they've done an awesome job once again. It looks terrific. Looks brand new, just like it did when it was done 10 years ago.
And when the floor restoration company came in, you didn't even have him redo this kitchen.
Nope. He just polished it up. We didn't even need anything done here.
So Granite Shield lasted 10 years without any maintenance on the flooring, and 10 years on the granite, which again is a lifetime warranty. And Teresa, we really appreciate your business.
Thanks. Me too. I'm glad I found you guys. It's awesome, you guys. Wonderful.
Thank you.
You're welcome.